Okay, I'm going to show you something now that you've never seen because I just invented it. Kind of right now it's in the rough edges. Anyway, what I did is a lot of people have these air conditioners for the windows. And these are not, these are mobile air conditioners. And what I did is I took what they call a cake dummy. And what they do is they make fake cakes with it and so forth. It's a styrofoam disc, basically. And I drew, this is just for illustration purposes, I drew a circle using the inner tube here because that's the only way that it will fit. Anyway, this pops in there like that. This that I made, it's not completely done yet. But what they don't allow, or what they don't have, see, and it covered that hole up. Pressed right in and covered that hole up. I used some paper clips along the edges there to use as anchor. And then all along I used 1/4 inch insulation for the area of my window. After drawing, you're getting a good view of my bed here. After drawing that, then I took a cake knife and I cut down into the cake dummy. Then I cut it out piece by piece. You don't want to go fast on it because it will in fact break the styrofoam. Now one thing that's good about it is the cake knife that I use. You will have to harden everything here. Into my kitchen. Cake knife I used is this bad boy here. And it's got a 12-inch blade on it, but it is also flexible. And I noticed while I was cutting that it actually was getting hot and it sealed the styrofoam. Now you're asking why I didn't go and get a something professionally made, because I have yet to find something professionally made to seal that hole. And it's not because I'm lazy that I don't want to take the plastic out behind it. It's, I live in Arizona, and it can be freezing cold. I'm talking about in northern Arizona, it can get down to 26 in snow. And it may have snow on the ground for a week or two, and then all of a sudden, temperature comes up to 92 degrees or 95 degrees. And it'll stay like that for a week and then go back into its winter seasonal thing. And so basically, it's like a quick release thing for me, where I can just, if I want to, I can pop that disc out and then put the hose in and crank on my air conditioner if I need it. And maybe that'll give someone. I did look down at some of the home furnishing stores and stuff like that, and they do have the discs that are made to cover up dryer hose vents and stuff, but those you have to screw in and all that, and they don't really keep the cold air out, you know. So this gives me the option of keeping the cold air out, and if I want cool air in, because the season changed all of a sudden to blazing hot, I can just switch it, you know, less than a minute, and I'm good to go. I've been testing it out already, and it works pretty doggone good. Anyway, hopefully that'll give you guys some ideas. If you happen to know of a place that sells something like what I just kind of made, let me know. But if you don't, I've got a trademark on it sent in to get it, you know, see if I can get it made actually for people who don't have anything like this or have never seen anything like this. You know, it's just something simple I thought about. Anyway, leave notes down below and give this video a thumbs up if you've got ideas, or thumbs down if you don't like it, and be sure and subscribe. Thanks.